Hello students of 10th standard, we have started the lesson, that is lesson number 9, social health. See page number 104. See, you might have seen the various, you can say cartoon films, various you can say films onto the television, or you can see various cartoon films are you can say telecasted on the television. There are also various games like WWF, then again car race. Various types of the games are you can say telecasted onto the television. Now see children who watch the cartoon films may initiate the characters of those films. Now whenever the children are watching the cartoon films, what they do? They try to depict that same character into them, or they try to behave in same character as they have seen into the cartoon films. Tendency and behavior of the children who play the games like virtual war and car races, especially deliberately brought about virtual accidents in the games. Whenever you see, there are you can say children who are watching the car race, or you can say various games they are watching, and they are trying to behave in a such a way that suppose if the motorcycles are run with a very high speed, then you can say children they also try to what to do? They also try to run the motorcycles in such a way. There are also children who are depicting the characters in them. For example, suppose if they saw the Spider-Man, they try to behave like a Spider-Man. What they do? They try to jump from this building to that building. Or suppose there was one serial which was named as Shaktiman. You can say children were behaving like Shaktiman, and there were many incidents which were you can say seen by this you can say serial after watching this serial. Some games available on cell phones and computers are extremely time consuming and also cause economic losses. See, there are various you can say games whichever are played on the cell phones or on the computers. Children are wasting their time to see such types of the games instead of they are having instead of studying or instead of playing the games on the outdoor region. What they are doing? They are playing it onto the cell phones or on the computers. This may cause the hazardous effect onto their you can say brain and also their eyes. So some subjects may prove fatal for them. So see, along with some useful purpose, huge information available on internet is used for viewing. Some inappropriate videos too. See, there are much information on the internet. We can follow that you can say information, or we can study about that information. But some informations are not good. Such informations are also watched by the you can say students. However, there is a government regulation. Government regulation is there over such media, website, movies and cartoon films inappropriate for children are banned by the government. Even though such films are watched by the you can say children. The films like blue films which is watched nowadays by the you can say adult children or the children who are matured. This is not good, or whatever the use of this you can say media is made is not in a good condition. Then see, why is there increase in the news of a death by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valley or under trains during catching the cell phone selfie? See what is done. Most of the you can say persons what they are doing whenever they are in the ocean area, what they are doing, they are removing their selfie, and there are some people who have drawn into the, you can say, ocean whenever they are removing their selfie. There are some persons who stand on the mountains and remove their, you can say, selfies, and some of the, you can say, persons have fallen deep into the valleys. There are also some persons who have tried to remove the selfie into the running trains. That is also very, you can say, hazardous to our health. We may fall, or we may lose our control and we may fall from the train. And what will happen? The next, you know that there are, you can say, the accident may cause death. There is an increasing competition to upload the videos of a road accident instead of helping the victims. What is the mentality of such people? There are many people, if they see the accident on the road, instead of helping the victim, what they do, they are engaged in removing the selfies, or you can say removing the videos of such incident. So what does this mentality tells us? That the persons are engaged only into the modern technology, not in having the humanity, means not having the humanity in them. Then see, there are also video clips of the parents who are threatening or hitting the children on study as per their wish, or domestic helpers beating the children are very common on a social media nowadays. The social media, use of the social media is increased nowadays. You might have seen there are many various clips of the, you can say, parents who are teaching their children how they are beating, or how they are taking their homework, or how they are telling them to study. This is also one of the clip which is viral on the, you can say, video clip which is viral on the mobiles. Then see, there are also, you can say, video clips which are where the, you can say, domestic helpers, what they are doing, they are harassing the, you can say, harassing the children. This also, you can say, the clips are there nowadays. The persons who are indulging in such destructive and uncultural activities are usually under stress, and such activities are bursting out of a trace. Why these people are doing this way? Because they are, you can say, having a stress, and in order to make to give out the stress, they are doing such types of the activities. Medical science has declared such activities as a mental illness. These all activities are nothing but the mental illness, and as they are having a mental problem, what they are doing, they are creating such types of a problem. Such persons indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risk. This is called as a selfie side. Whenever a person wants to remove the selfie and he is on the high risk, from where he is removing the selfie, that is hazardous to his health, but he is not aware of that, and this type of a process is called as a selfie side. Persons indulging in the domestic violence. There are, you can say, persons who are indulging in the domestic violence, sending message to others before committing the suicide. There are also some persons, what they are doing, before committing the suicide, they are sending the messages to others, or video clip of the suicidal, you can say, act also. These are nothing but the mentally ill people, and they need to, you can say, get the sympathy from the other, and for this purpose they are doing this. Then see, television, phone and internet are also, you can say, needful, but what happens, see there, sometimes there are, you can say, wrong information going through this media, and there many people who are spending their more hours on to this media are having such types of the problems.